Okay, today's my English chat March 4th, 2020, and today's my practices shown below about English. I read article and watch video and study English terms, and about preparation for school. Yeah, actually I did nothing. I'm just waiting for the email. Waiting for the acceptance. About UI UX, I studied design principle, and I want to talk this later. And about programming, I studied JavaScript. And today I want to talk about the color pattern. Considering the color pattern is very vital for designing or thinking about the UI and UX, or designing some services, any kind of services, because color has an essential effect. But I think choosing color is very difficult. However, and this is because as for the design or as a matter of poster, you can choose more cool or what do you think that is great. But as for designing or some services, you have to think the coordination about the font you have to think about the coordination of the readability or usability. Think about if the color looks great, if the color pattern looks great, if you use a word or if you input text, you have to keep some contrast. You have to keep some high contrast so that the user can read the text. Otherwise, the user cannot read or difficult to recognize what is written or what is shown. So you have to think both looks in both readability or usability. If you choose one basic color, you have to choose another. You have to choose the opposite that has a high contrast color, and so it's very difficult. So this is the reason I think it's very difficult to choose a color pattern. Mostly I choose background color and the opposite main color, and main color, but that has a low opacity, 50% of opacity, that I call the color for disable, and the color for accent, or the second accent. Or I have to think as for the regarding some applications or web services, we have to prepare the color for the check, or correct. The color correct, mostly green, and the color for incorrect, mostly red. So we have to think. We sometimes cannot choose whatever we want. We have to mostly the color is based on black and white and green and red. So it's very difficult to choose or coordinate other colors, select other colors. But it's very interesting to think and fun to think. And that's all. Thank you for watching.